What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I ordered a couple spools of filament from Anycubic, and I've had a bunch of Elegoo sitting around. So tonight I needed to print something in PLA Plus white, which is this filament right here. It's been here for maybe 3 days, 4 days. First of all, you can see that it's not vacuum packed, and that kind of sucks. So you're going to have to dry this, whereas the Elegoo is completely tight. You can't move it. But the problem that I had, and after 4 hours of sending a print to the printer and walking away and seeing the print in midair, I saw that, or what I noticed, is that the Anycubic has decreased the size of the cardboard spool. And that sucks. See the lip here? I'm sure you can see it. Look at that compared to the size of the Elegoo. So what happened there was, when I put the Anycubic on the printer and walked away, it tangled because this loosened up, and because there wasn't a large enough lip here, it just came unwound and wound around the back of my P1S and wasted print time. That sucks. But you can clearly see the difference in the size of the extra cardboard between the two. And I measured, and the Anycubic was at below 7 3/4, and the Elegoo was right at 7 3/4, a little larger actually. So Anycubic, I think, is probably trying to cut corners, and in doing so is screwing up their filament spools for their customers. Look at that. You can see the difference clearly. Look how much larger that is. So that being like that allowed the filament to come off of the spool and then started to wrap around the back of the P1S's spool holder, and cost me 3 hours in the print, 3 or 4, and wasted filament. So, I don't know. I'm going to stop using Anycubic from here on out and just use Elegoo, Sunlu, Polymaker, Prusa, and just all the other, Voxel, just all the other brands. And I'm leaving Anycubic in the gutter, where at this point I think it belongs. And this is new, because I've used Anycubic before and haven't had an issue. But noticing that now, I'm just wondering if they realize that their specs have changed and that has shrunk down. I'm going to reach out to them. They're probably not going to reply. I mean, why would they? I'm a nobody. But, yeah, it sucks. So I put the spool on again, and we'll see if the same thing happens. And if it does, I'll take a picture and add it to this video and show you what happened. But when I fed the filament into the P1S, it was tight against the spool. So there's no reason why it should have come loose. But for some reason, as it was being pulled, it came over the top of the spool holder and went to garbage. So yeah, so my opinion right now is to stay away from this. The Elegoo you can get for as cheap. I think I got this for maybe 26 bucks for 2, and I just bought a 4-pack of Elegoo for maybe 49 or 50 bucks. So definitely worth it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to share the video, and we will catch you on the next one. I'm out of here.